The Supreme Court today came down heavily upon the centre over the issue of judicial appointments, blaming the centre for not filling long-standing judicial vacancies. A bench headed by Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul told the centre that when a law is laid down by the Parliament, every citizen is expected to follow it. Similarly, when the law is laid down by the Supreme Court, the centre is expected to follow it. Justice Kaul said that there will be a complete breakdown if everyone starts choosing what laws they want to follow. In a strongly worded warning, the Supreme Court has asked the Attorney General to advise the union ministers to exercise some control over their public criticism about the Collegium. A Supreme Court bench headed by Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul warned the Attorney General that the statements that are being made recently are not being taken well and that the ministers ought to exercise some control. The Law Minister Kiren Rijiju had recently hit out at the Collegium, stating that the people had lost their faith in the process. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar too had kicked off the winter session of the Parliament by putting the spotlight on the Supreme Court 2015 decision that had struck down the NJAC. In what comes as a big setback to the Kashmiri Pandit community, the Supreme Court has today dismissed a curative petition by an NGO called Roots in Kashmir, seeking an SIT probe into the 1990 Kashmiri Pandits genocide. Supreme Court in its order has said that in our opinion, no case is made out within the parameters indicated in earlier judgments. The curative petition was the last legal resort available to the community before the talk. After hearing detailed arguments for 7 days, the Supreme Court on Thursday reserved its verdict in pleas challenging the validity of laws permitting bull-taming sports like Jallikattu in states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra. A 5-judge bench of Justices K.M. Joseph, Ajay Rastogi, Aniruddha Bose, Rishikesh Roy and C.D. Ravi Kumar reserved its verdict on Thursday. Law Minister Kiren Rijiju, while answering a question in the Rajya Sabha, has said that there is no proposal to reintroduce the NJAC in the Parliament, at least at present. The Law Minister, as part of his response, has placed some data on record saying that as of 5th December, only 1 proposal for appointment of a Supreme Court judge and 8 proposals for the appointment of High Court judges as recommended by the Collegium are pending with the government.